welcome back guys to Jam Vlogs. After finally 1 year, 1 full year, we are back now. And guys, today after 1 year, we have a great surprise for you. We are going to Bhadrachalam today, and guys, hope you will enjoy. We will go in the boating today and we will enjoy a lot. So I'm very excited. After 1 year I'm shooting this vlog, so let's go without any further delay.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze, in the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand.
Guys, we have finally now reached the station and we are waiting in the train since half an hour, and the train is about to start. And I'm very excited for this journey guys, so stay tuned.
2,000 years later.
Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams where stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In the soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly. Waves crash, my wings and fly. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolds.
So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Jam Vlogs. And today is a new day in the Bhadrachalam, and I'm going to give you a surprise now. This is our hotel. I'm in the hotel balcony and you cannot imagine what a beautiful scenery. As you can see, behind there is a temple, the main Bhadrachalam temple behind our hotel, and a very good scenery out here. So now today we are going to go to a boat ride from Bhadrachalam to Papikonlu. So it will start from morning 9 and end at evening 5. They will include breakfast, lunch and snacks. So you just need to enjoy the sceneries, and rest what happens in the trip I will tell you. Yesterday night our train reached at night 3 o'clock, so I cannot shoot much, but today is the day. Today we both will enjoy a lot. Come on guys. So guys, now finally we are ready to go to the boat ride of Bhadrachalam to Papikonlu, and I'm very excited, and I hope you might also be excited. So without any delay, let's begin our journey towards Papikonlu. So finally guys, after 2 hours of driving, we have reached Papikonlu, and now it's finally the time for boating. I'm very excited for this. So without any delay, let's go. So guys, as you can see, finally we have reached Papikonlu, and you can see the boats over here. There are many boats lined up. Don't know which one we will go. Let's see guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the breakfast counter. First we'll eat the breakfast and then we will go for the boat ride. So let's eat and then we'll meet guys. So guys, finally now we have ate our breakfast and we have found our boat. This Mayuri boat, the blue one. As you can see, that is our boat. So without any delay, let's step into the boat guys. So guys, finally now we have boarded the ship, and this is our ship. As you can see behind, it is very nice. As you can see the water over here, there are many boats. So guys, let's start. When it starts moving, I will show you guys. Let's go. So guys, it is very hot here, so we have AC rooms over here. As you can see, this is the AC room. So guys, now I'll go inside the AC room and I'll show you guys. So let's go in the AC room. It's very cold over there. So guys, this is the AC and I'm feeling very hot, so I'm sitting inside under the AC. It's very cold over here. So guys, as you can see, this is the sail of the ship in which the captain sails his boat, and this is the food, the lunch which they have been prepared. These are the plastic plates, these are the curries. So while eating, I will show you all those things guys. So guys, now the ship is about to start and I'm very excited. They are announcing there will be DJ. I will show you the water guys now. So guys, it's time for departure and the speaker. Let's go guys.
Wow, super! What a energy!
What a guys, it's very fantastic over here. As you can see, guys, what a scenery this is.
ఏంటండి ఎవరు చెప్పట్లేదు? గట్టిగా చెప్పండి. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు ఎవ్రీబడీ.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండి. అందమైన గోదావరి నది గుంపు సొంపులతో దర్శించుకోవడానికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి మా మయూరి బోర్డ్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ముందుగా మా బోర్డు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడే వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఒకటి.
So guys, our boat has finally started. As you can see, the boat is now moving, and guys, it's very fantastic over.
ఈ నది మీదకి వెళ్తున్నాం కాబట్టి మనం అందరం కూడా సేఫ్ గా ఈ ప్లేస్ కు తిరిగి రావాలంటే ఈ కాపికొండల మీదుగా మనం
I cannot explain you the feeling of
మొత్తం 4 ప్లేసులు మాత్రమే
right now.
అందులో ఒక ప్లేస్ దగ్గర బోట్ ఆఫ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అది శివాలయం టెంపుల్ దగ్గర. సో
మబ్బులోన వాన విల్లులా, మట్టిలోన నీటి జల్లులా, గుండెలోన ప్రేమ ముల్లులా దాగినావుగా. అందమైన ఆశ తీరక కాల్చుతుంది కొంటి కోరిక, ప్రేమ పిచ్చి పెంచడానిక చంపడానిక. కోరుకున్న ప్రేయసివే, దూరమైన ఊర్వశివే, జాలి లేని రాక్షసివే, గుండెలని నాకసివే, చేపకల రూపసివే, చిత్రమైన తాపసివే, చీకటింట నాశసివే, సరసకు చలి చలిరా, ఎలా విడిచి బతకనే పిల్లారా, నువ్వే కనబడవా కళ్ళారా, నిన్నే తలచి తలచిలా ఉన్నాగా, నువ్వే ఎదసడివే అన్నాగా, ఎలా విడిచి బతకనే పిల్లారా, నువ్వే కనబడవా కళ్ళారా, నిన్నే తలచి తలచిలా ఉన్నాగా, నువ్వే ఎదసడివే. మబ్బులోన వాన విల్లులా, మట్టిలోన నీటి జల్లులా, గుండెలోన ప్రేమ ముల్లులా దాగినావుగా. అందమైన ఆశ తీరక కాల్చుతోంది కొంటె కోరిక, ప్రేమ పిచ్చి పెంచడానిక చంపడానిక. చిన్నదానా ఓసి అందరమైన మాయగా మనసు జారి పడిపోయేనే, తపనతో వెంటే తిరిగనే, వేరే పలికనే, నాదే తిరిగనే, నిన్ను చేరగా ఎన్నాళ్ళైనా అవిగెల్లెడునా వందెడునా వేచి ఉంటాను నిన్ను చూడగా. సుడిగుండాలు అయినా ఉంటానిలా, నేను నీకే తోడుగా ఓ ప్రేమ, మనం కలిసి ఒకటిగా ఉందామా, ఇదో ఎడతెగని హంగామా, ఎలా విడిచి బతకనే పిల్లారా, నువ్వే కనబడవా.
So guys, now we will go over here. This is a temple, I guess. Now we will go over here, guys.
అదేంటంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి మీరు ఫోటో దిగితే మాత్రం సార్స్కి అయితే పెళ్లి కాని వరకు త్వరగా పెళ్ళి అవుతుందండి. వద్దండి, పెళ్ళైంది మీకు ఇంతకి అవలేదండి? ఒకవేళ మీకు పెళ్ళి అయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. పెళ్ళి అయితే ఏం చేయాలంటే రెండో పెళ్లి దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది కానిచ్చేయండి. ఓకే, ఎవరు కాదన్నారు మీ ఆనందాన్ని. ఓకే, ఆ చెట్టు దగ్గర మీ ఆనందాన్ని తీర్చుకోండి, హ్యాపీగా వెళ్ళరండి దర్శనానికి. సో మనకి ఇచ్చే టైం 20 నిమిషాలు మాత్రమే. మన బోట్ నేమ్ మయూరి. ఓకేనా? కొండపోయినటువంటి ఏదైతే ఆ యొక్క విశ్వేశ్వర స్వామి గారు ఉన్నారో, సో యొక్క పరమశివుని మీరు దర్శించుకొని మీరు వచ్చినట్టయితే మన యొక్క విహారయాత్ర మళ్ళీ మీరు ఎంతో ఆశగా ఎదురు చూస్తున్నటువంటి అందమైనటువంటి ప్రకృతి, అందమైనటువంటి భారతదేశంలోని వాటికంటే పేరుగాంచినటువంటి ఆకాశాన్ని తాకుతున్నటువంటి ప్రకృతిని ప్రేమించే పర్యాటకులందరూ కూడా నాన్ వెజ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నా సరే ఏమి దొరకదు, ఆ వెజిటేరియన్ ఫుడ్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి.
So guys, now we have reached our first temple over here. I'll show you what is the temple, and look at this guys, look at this, what a beautiful scenery. I am amazed. Is this place real or not? So guys, here's a waterfall, small waterfall in which people are going so to wash their legs and hands. So I thought, why don't I also go? So let's go. Oh my god guys, this water is so cold. What? So guys, now finally we have done the puja, and now let's go to the next stop. Guys, as you can see, they serve lunch after the first tourist spot sightseeing. You can have lunch over here.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living on plan. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for
So guys, as you can see, that is the night staying place for Papikondu. If you people want to stay there, you can stay. But now we are going to actual Papikondu. Guys, now we are having a parallel race with this boat, and I'm enjoying the scenery very much. Somebody disturbing me. Look at the scenery guys. That boat, our boat, and the mountains around, and there Papikondu, and it's awesome guys. So guys, now we have finally overtaken that boat, and all people are shocked on our overtaking.
సో ఇటు మీదుగా మనకి స్ట్రైట్గా జర్నీ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే మనకి ఒకప్పుడు పోలవరం ప్రాజెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు రాజమండ్రి వరకు కూడా బోట్లు లేండి సార్, రాజమండ్రి సిటీ వరకు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు పోలవరం వరకు బోట్.
So guys, now finally we have reached the end of Papikondu, and from here we will be returning back, and there is a stone here, a stone which looks same to same like a human. I will show you. And this mountain, just look at the height of the mountain. It's approx 200 feet. guys, now finally we are about to reach our starting point from where we have started this boat. This journey was very exciting, guys. Very nice. And this boat, which is still racing with us from the Papakiluri end till now, we overtaked it at the lunch point at which we ate. Now we are about to reach.
కాబట్టి ఇంకా మీరు రోజు ఊగిపోయేంత ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
So guys, now finally after 5 total hours of boating, now we are back in our van. Now it's 2 hours journey from here to our hotel, Bhadrachalam temple. After Bhadrachalam temple, we need to go to Bhadrachalam railway station, that is more 2 hours from the temple. So total 4 hours of traveling more is left. So stay tuned till then. Now let's go to our hotel. So guys, now finally our journey is over, and this